Quran and Aqidah. It is interpreted in Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 177. वलाकिन्नल बिर्र मन आमन बिल्लाहि वल यौमिल आखिर वल मलाइकति वल किताब वन नबिय्यीन. Translation: In fact, he is the rightful for the virtue of good deeds who have firm belief in Allah, the doomsday, the sacred books, and the prophets. Likewise, that in the same surah, verse number 275. आमन रसूल बिमा उन्जिला इलैहि मिर रब्बिही वल मुमिनून कुल्लुन आमन बिल्लाहि व मलाइकतिही व कुतुबिही व रुसुलिही. Translation: The Absolute has firm belief in whatever is revealed to him from his Allah, and all the Mu'mins without have belief in Allah, his angels, books, and in absolutes. Hadith and Aqidah. The interpretation of the Aqidahs in Hadith is obvious and unambiguous. In the Holy Quran, once the Jibreel came to inquire from the Holy Prophet that what is faith, Imam, the Holy Prophet replied that a Mu'min should have faith in Allah, His angels, books, prophets, day of judgment, and distinct whether good or bad. Subhanallah, MashaAllah.